It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you one of my Prada sunglasses that I absolutely love. Now, I currently own a couple different Prada frames, and these ones I love particularly because of that beautiful classic cat eye shape. It's really hard to find a cat eye shape that I think fits my face well and that isn't too in your face, if you know what I mean. So these glasses I also love because of the color. Now that cat eye with a classic tortoise shell like these ones, I mean, it's just gorgeous. This color is super rich. And those lenses are absolutely perfect for the frame because they're a brown gradient lens. And I love how they paired that brown tortoiseshell with gold Prada detailing. And because this is a plastic frame, you guys, it's super lightweight and comfortable. So let me go ahead and show you them on. Oh, they feel so good on my face. So there you have that beautiful cat eye. And then the side profile is super sleek as well because of those skinny arms on both sides. I absolutely love that classic look, you guys. So as you can see, they're very easy to move on my face, very comfortable. Those built-in plastic nose pads make them super lightweight, but also comfortable all day long. I love these Prada cat eye sunglasses, you guys. I think you will too. That's my point of view.